Over the years, the culture of hailing a cab or taxi has undergone a significant transformation. From the days of waving down a passing taxi on the street to the advent of ride-hailing apps, the industry has evolved to meet the changing needs of transportation. The traditional taxi culture was born in the late 19th century when horse-drawn carriages were replaced by motorized vehicles. The iconic yellow taxis in New York City became synonymous with urban transportation. However, hailing a cab was often a challenging and time-consuming task, especially during peak hours. Then came the era of radio dispatch, where taxis were connected with a central dispatch office through two-way radios. This innovation streamlined the process of finding a cab but still had its limitations. The real disruption occurred with the rise of ride-hailing apps. Companies like Lyft revolutionized the industry by leveraging technology to connect riders with drivers more efficiently. These apps brought convenience and accessibility to the forefront. With just a few taps on a smartphone, passengers could request a ride, track the driver's location in real time, and even make cashless payments. The driver's side also benefited from increased flexibility and a broader customer base. However, the COVID-19 pandemic had a profound impact on the transportation industry. With travel restrictions and social distancing guidelines in place, the demand for ride-hailing services plummeted, causing a considerable setback for the industry. Despite the challenges, the industry is now experiencing a gradual recovery. As vaccination rates increase and restrictions ease, people are once again relying on ride-hailing services for their transportation needs. Revenue in the ride-hailing and taxi segment is estimated to reach a staggering $331 billion in 2023. Even capturing a mere 0.1% of this colossal market share amounts to a substantial figure of $331 million. So, the potential for financial gains in this sector is exceptionally lucrative. If you're considering entering the ride-hailing market, you can place your trust in Code Brew Labs. With a track record of serving over 3,000 plus satisfied clients worldwide, our team of highly skilled developers is committed to delivering exceptional results. Our ride-hailing app consists of Customer App, Driver App, and Admin Panel. Our Customer App consists of easy sign-up and login, vehicle selection, schedule ride, cancel booking, multiple payment options, rate driver. Next is our Driver App. It consists of easy onboarding, route optimization, trip detail, account management, wallet management. Last is our admin panel, which consists of advanced dashboard, dispatch management, driver management, passenger management, tariffs and payouts. If you are interested in creating your own ride-hailing app like Lyft, then just click on the link given in the description and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. Partner with Code Brew Labs and embark on a journey towards a successful and innovative ride-hailing app. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel.